Hello, I'm Chris Smith with Intellegration, and I wanted to show the tool to you, Russ, that we put together for decommissioning, plant decommissioning out there. This is basically the tool. It's got the TINE jaws on it with the interchangeability of them. So by removing this screw, the jaws can come out, as you've seen on the web page. It's powered, this one's powered by this pneumatic cylinder right here. It's a double acting cylinder, and that provides all of the motive force for it. I've added this joint that holds the pole, the short pole for the end effector, and it's positionable. By loosening these various screws, you can actually reposition this so that when you're hanging down into the pool, you can get it all positioned, and if you need to get to a slightly different position, you can loosen these up. You have to bring it back out of the water, which I know is a Radcon challenge, but it is repositionable. And then of course you want to make sure it's nice and tight. This pole represents the 30-foot pole that will be going all the way up to the bridge. It'll be made up of a 3/4 inch aluminum Schedule 40 pipe, and we'll just have regular pipe couplings that make the pipe length all the way up. So you can actually assemble that right on the bridge, deploy it down. In the meantime, the controller here is just a joystick, opens and closes the jaws, just a 5-way valve. And this, with the 40 foot of 3/8 inch nylon hose, can just be attached right to the bridge. So whether your pole goes up and down and how many sections you add doesn't really matter, because the controller always stays in one place, and the 40 feet of tubing should be enough to get you anywhere on the deck. I'm going to move the camera down here because I've put together, I've cleaned up behind my lathe and mill and filled this trash can. I'm going to double check this view here, and what I want to do is take that trash can of debris and grab it with the jaws and fill up the red trash can. So we're going to give this a shot here. There's a big old chunk of stainless steel in there, and so I'm going to grab that and just basically reach down and grab whatever comes up with it, and that is a little bit heavy, and then release that. And there's also a 3-inch ball I threw in there just because we wanted something else challenging here. So even though it has the ball in there, I don't know if you can see that very clearly, it's got the ball in there, it's got quite a bit of debris with it as well. So seems to capture quite a bit in those tines. Let's grab one more bite here or two. We're getting down to kind of the fine stuff. When I grabbed that pop can earlier on, I actually punctured it. And the worst it got stuck was just having to come along the edge and rub it against the edge, and it just fell right off. The tines are all tapered, stainless steel polished, and so things come off there very nicely. We're excuse me, getting down to the fine debris here. Maybe it's getting to my nose, I don't know. And so that's just with the tines right on the bottom. Just grabbing everything that's it can grab. So it'll grab, like I said, anything that this can't grab, your vacuum system should be able to just suck right up. I'm going to try to get over closer to the edge here, so I get a little bit off my left side, your right side, and that's about it for this. So I hope that demonstration has helped you, and if you've got any further questions, I'm going to ship this video off tonight, so you'll have it first thing in the morning. You can call me as soon as I send you an email, let you know I'm up. Thanks, Russ. Bye.